Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through how to get started setting up and using OpenCode, which is one of the only really free, true open source AI coding agents. I've got the website pulled up here. As you can see, it provides a lot of different free models included. Connect any model from any provider, and that also includes Claude, GPT, Gemini, and more. So what is OpenCode? It's an open source agent that helps you write code in your terminal, IDE, or desktop. So you can use this in VS Code, Cursor, Google Anti-Gravity, wherever you do your coding, or you can just run it in the terminal like I'm doing over here. In order to get started, all you need to do is run this one-line curl command in your terminal. So if I come over here, I've actually already got OpenCode installed, but I could just go ahead and run that command anyway. And you can see I've got the latest version, 1.15, already installed on my computer, and we're doing some work over here on my software as a service, but I have actually run out of credits now. So in this tutorial, I want to show you how to get started with the free plan, and then also how to upgrade to the Go plan, which is $10 per month. So to download it, you can either run the one-line curl command, or you can do an npm install. It's available for Mac OS, Windows, as well as Linux. I'm personally using Debian. And you've also got the extensions you can install inside VS Code, Cursor, Zed, Windsurf, and VS Codium. And they have integrations for GitHub and GitLab as well. So in order to get started with the free plan, you can come up here and click on Zen. Zen gives you access to a curated set of AI models that OpenCode has tested and benchmarked. Basically, this one here, you can get started completely for free. And you can also add credits to your balance as well if you want to top up your credits and pay as you go. This is the dashboard. So as you can see, Zen is a reliable, optimized model for coding agents. You can get access to all of these different models. Many of them are paid, but you can also get them for free as well. So if I come over to my terminal here, I could do /models. These are the only free models. So you've got DeepSeek V4 Flash, Big Pickle, and also Nemotron 3 Super free. And then all of these other ones you will need to actually upgrade to the Go plan in order to get access to, or you can enter in your API key. So if I wanted to use ChatGPT 5 Codeex, I could switch over to that one, and then I could just go ahead and connect up the providers over here as well. In this case, I'm actually going to be upgrading to OpenCode Go because this is the low-cost subscription, and I keep running out of credits on OpenCode Zen. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and upgrade to the Go plan. You can also easily check your overall usage on the different models from the usage tab right here. So when I still had OpenCode Go, you can see this is how much I was spending on a daily basis for each of the models. This is all directly built into the OpenCode Go subscription plan, so you don't actually have to pay this much for the model. I'm just going to switch over to Go, and this is the low-cost coding model for everyone. It starts at $5 for your first month, and then it goes up to $10 per month after that, and provides reliable access to the popular open coding models with generous usage limits. So here's all the different models that are included inside OpenCode Go. The other option is you could just go ahead and top up your balance over here. So if I wanted to add, let's say, $5 to my balance on OpenCode Zen, I also have the option to do that. But I think the Go plan is definitely more generous in terms of getting access to all these different models, and it's only $10 a month. So I'm going to go ahead and subscribe to the Go plan. I'll just click on subscribe, and from here it's going to give me the total. So that's $10 in Thai baht, and I'm just going to do this real quick. So now I've just gone ahead and completed the payment, and now I have access to OpenCode Go. You can see here I can select the provider in my OpenCode configuration to use the different Go models. For everyone that signs up using my affiliate link in the description below, you will earn $5, and I will also get $5 as well. So go ahead and sign up with my affiliate link. And with that being said, I'm just going to come over to API keys here. We can create a new API key, or we can just copy this one. So that will turn on OpenCode Go, and now I have access to all of the different models over here, including DeepSeek, GLM, Kimi, all the Kimi models, Minimax, as well as Qwen 3.5 to 3.7. I really like the Qwen models, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on Qwen 3.5. And now we can just go ahead and continue, and I shouldn't get any more warnings about running out of credits. So I'm working on a couple different things over here. I'm just going to go ahead and continue in all of these different tabs. And now, once again, we can choose the model. In this case, I want to use Minimax 2.7, and then I can just go ahead and continue with the coding over here as well. Currently, I'm fixing up my website using some custom skills. Another really cool thing about OpenCode is that it can spawn sub-agents, and you can just go ahead and click on each one of the tasks and see what each sub-agent is doing. So this one is optimizing some files. This one's investigating this file, so as you can see exactly what it's doing over here, and it will show you detailed output as well. And it also gives you a summary every time, as well as the checklist of to-dos that it's completing as it's going through and fixing up all the files. One, I was using a custom skill, next best practices, which you can easily pull up just by doing /skills, and then you've got all your skills over here. So right now I'm in the process of fixing up the overall design of my website using some front-end design skills, and then also like versal design skills and all that stuff. I'm doing a full site audit, and it's going through and fixing up all the files, as you can see over here. And I also just recently went ahead and fixed up some issues that I was having with my site. So looks like it now builds correctly, and if I go ahead and refresh Tube Analytics, we should be able to get the animations back. There they are. So that wasn't working before, and I was able to fix it quickly and easily inside OpenCode using, in this case, I was using Qwen 3.5 plus. You can also go ahead and do a page speed test over here as well. So I can search for speed, and I've got a custom skill for Google PageSpeed, which I installed from this website right here, skills.sh. You can just search for speed, and this is the particular skill that I'm using. All you need to do is copy this command and run it in the terminal, and then it will install the skill. I'm just going to say run a full performance audit. And that's a custom skill that's going to run inside OpenCode and run a full audit on my site so that I can fix up any issues with the performance on Google PageSpeeds. And now we can choose the model. For this one, I'll try Kimi 2.6 just to try a different model. And then we can go ahead and continue over here as well. So now all of these different coding harnesses are using OpenCode Go, and we're using Minimax 2.7 over here. I'm using Kimi 2.6 in this terminal tab, and I'm using Qwen 3.5 plus over here. So now if I come back to OpenCode over here, I can go to usage, and as you can see, it is now using those different models. We can see how many credits we're using over here. We can see the entire page speed report over here, so it looks like the performance needs some improvement. Top 5 performance issues. I've got large screenshot images, so we need to resize those. Large global.css, as well as third-party scripts, clerk, and analytics. And now by using this custom skill that we've installed for Google PageSpeed Insights, it has identified all of the performance issues, and now it's just going to go ahead and start fixing these up. And currently I've only spent about $2.60 on Kimi 2.6 and just pennies on Minimax and Qwen 3.5. And again, that is all built directly into the subscription plan, so I don't have to continually add a balance to this like I would on OpenCode Zen. It's just built into the $10 a month. So you can also see the rolling usage over here. I've only used 5% of the monthly usage, 11% of the weekly usage, and 27% of the 5-hour usage so far. And I've fixed up a lot of things on my site essentially for free, very, very cheap. These models don't cost very much at all. Yeah, OpenCode is one of my favorite coding harnesses because you've got access to all these different models available, many of them completely for free. So you've got 3 free models, and then you've got all of these other models that you can enter in your API key in order to use, and you've also got the OpenCode Go models over here. And one of the reasons I'm using OpenCode right now is because I've run out of credits in Codeex, which happens fairly regularly. I do a lot of coding, so you can see I've already maxed out my credits over here again, and then whenever I run out of credits in Codeex, I just switch back over to OpenCode. And now we should just be able to continue fixing up these pages on my website. I would highly recommend coming over here and creating your 7-day free trial and testing it out, because this is the best YouTube analytics platform if you're looking to launch, scale, and monetize your YouTube channel. So go ahead, check out Tube Analytics, and then also feel free to book a call with me on Automogic. This is my AI automation agency. You can just click to book a free consultation call over here, and we can discuss building a web app or AI automation to save time and money for your business. And also, last but not least, go ahead and join my school community. I've just recently rebranded it. It's now called the AI Income Lab. We've currently got 2,800 members in here. It's growing fast. You can go ahead, take a look around the classroom where all the resources, tutorials, and courses are located, as well as go ahead and introduce yourself in the community over here. We'd love to see you inside the school community. It's completely free to join. And then I also offer paid plans as well, starting at $9 per month. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand, signing off.